What's up, guys, and how you doing? Welcome back to the page. It's your boy Josh, all right? It's your boy Josh here with SSC Super Sport Enthusiasts. Today, we're doing a little bit of first-time mods. I didn't even do tints yet. There's not much that needs to be done. Honestly, there isn't much. So of course, let me make it a little darker. All right, so of course what I want to do here, guys, is we bought some LED light strips for the side markers, one in the front, and then of course one in the rear. All right, of course that is for each side also. And then we're gonna go back with the YouTube so you guys know where to follow, how to follow. And then we got the Instagram we're gonna throw right here. You guys know where to follow, how to follow again, okay? Alright, so first of all, let me show you guys what we have. Where's the keys? I left the keys over here. Boom. These are the lights. Alright. So as you guys can see, we have the black LED lights. We're going to be official. These are going to be super official. I love how they come. I love how they look. We're going to install these. And yeah, I mean, we'll do a test. I'll show you guys right now how it looks at night. Alright, so you guys can see what the side looks like. Literally, this is all we are getting from the side lights. This is all we are getting from the side lights. Okay? That's bad. That's all we're getting. So now, we're going to go ahead and start to change them and see what else we get. A cold start never hurt anybody. Let's see what he does. Exactly, yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the wheel to see if I can get, you know, what screws I need to use. And I think if I turn the wheel, I wouldn't have to take it off. So it might be more simple than I thought. Alright guys, this is looking easy peasy. Inside of the tire well, we have a few Allen keys that we can pop out, and I believe it'll give me easy access to the lights. So that's what I'm gonna try first. Let's go ahead and jump into a little bit of music, a little bit of shots, and I'll get it done. It's probably gonna take me like 5 minutes to open this up, but to you guys, it'll probably be about 15 seconds. Let's go.
Hey, gotta get a Lambo like Green Bay. I made a lot, but then I gave a lot, and now I had enough. But I've been keeping up, and now I pay the price to what I'm dreaming of. I had to sacrifice, and now I see the love. Everything beautiful. Lucky I never got trapped in the cubicle. If I did it, then you can do it too. Just follow my moves. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking is fluent. All of my business booming. Stacking my cash in abundance. All of my family funded.
Alright, so don't judge me. It took a little long on that one. Finally figured it out. The great thing I love, man, is from this single bull crap is going to go into a LED. So it's not going to be that one light right here. It's going to be multiple. Come on. I hate shitty films. Alright, so it's going to go into multiple lights going down rather than just that single bulb. I think it's going to look way better. Let me shut up, go grab one, interchange it, and see if it works, alright?
I don't trust in a hoe. I don't be trusting a hoe. I don't be trusting a hoe. Yeah. I don't be trusting a hoe. These bitches be lying for real. I'm a no major, no one understand the feel. I don't be trusting a soul. The nigga be lying for real. I'm a no major, no.
Alright guys, so again, Thank you. We moved from this all the way. Alright guys, so that was faster than I thought. It didn't take as long. I was thinking it'd take a longer time, but it's done. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Hopefully you like it. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Alright, there was a quick 5-10 minute job. The hardest part was I needed room from the back tire. Alright, you guys ready? Press the unlock button. Ready? Yep. Woo! There we go. Super bright. Super bright, guys. Super bright. So that is mod number 1. I'm loving it so far. And little that she knows, wifey will be helping me on the rear window sticker, YouTube sticker, and the Instagram sticker. So let's go ahead and put that on next. Peace. Nope. Guys, we got it. We got the YouTube part on the back sticker. On the back window. Tell me what you think really quick. Now that is sexy. Ooh. Hey, it's all about promotion. Ooh. Alright, there we go. Ooh, nope. It's all about promotion, alright? So now we're gonna put up the new YouTube name. I don't know if you guys can see that. Alright. That is it. Day 1 of easy modifications complete. Got the YouTube, got the Instagram. Go make sure you follow me on Instagram ASAP. And that is it. Josh_ZL1 Camaro. And there we go. Got the lights. And she's looking great, man. Looking amazing. Alright guys, well before I close this out, I couldn't forget that there is some new merch. Black and red, 6 stitching, all day. I love this color. Something simple, something to relax with. Or, say here, my shirt's green. We got that too. You know we gotta do it. Check it out, check it out. You know we gotta do it, guys. So hope you like it. More coming. I got keychains and a few other things that I just wanted to come up with. Of course, bigger and better things coming soon. Stay tuned. Until then, it's your boy Josh, super sport enthusiast, and I'm out. Peace.
I don't trust in a hoe. I don't be trusting a hoe. I don't be trusting a hoe. Yeah.